Hey friends, you're on the Funny Brick channel. In this video, I'll show you how to build these awesome tanks out of Lego. I'll be building a tank for 1 cent, $1, $5, $10, and a tank for $100. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Let's go! We'll start with this tiny tank. You only need 3 pieces.
You win.
I used a Lego minifigure's hand as a gun. I just built the smallest Lego tank I've ever made. Even a Lego baby can play with it. Now let's build the $1 tank. This one is also a simple model. It's made of just 6 Lego pieces. Here I'm using a piece from a battle droid. All done. Turned out to be a funny little tank, right? What do you think? Next, we're building a more complex and expensive model, the $5 tank. Let's get started. This custom tank looks even more like real models now. Try building it yourself. Now it's time to build the $10 tank. This is the tank chassis with tracks. The tank body is ready. Now let's build the cannon. Ready. This is a great model for your DIY projects. Now we've made it to the $100 tank. This model isn't easy. It'll take some effort. Let's get started. This custom tank build is finally ready. Tracks work just like they should. The cannon rotates a full 360 degrees. You can also adjust the cannon's angle. There's a hatch in the back for easy access to the motor. The tank is equipped with a machine gun on the cannon and a radio antenna for communication. Plus, if you remove the front panels, you can seat a Lego minifigure in the driver's spot. Let me know what you think about this build in the comments. Well guys, from the smallest to the biggest, all the tanks are done. I hope you enjoyed my custom builds and animations. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most. I also recommend checking out my channel. There are lots of fun videos, Lego animations, and custom builds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.